how to buy KEKIUS Maximus on Tapbit. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token on the Tapbit, make sure to open it on CoinMarketCap. After that, go and click on markets, and as you can see, you see different markets. And as you can see, this is Tapbit. Now click on pair here. And after that, you will be redirected to Tapbit. Now make sure to log into your account, and after that click on buy, and you have two options, the limit and market. If you click on limit, now here enter how much you want to buy, as you can see. So because I don't have, or I am not logged into my accounts, for you just enter how much you want to buy, or drag this to select or set the percentages you want to buy. After that, click on buy, and if you select the market, now as you can see, you have to select or set this the percentage of USDT that you want to buy with, and after that click on buy, and you will be able to buy the KEKIUS Maximus. So this is how to buy KEKIUS Maximus on Tapbit. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.